Poke it. Demo begins now. I think what we're going to do today is pop out the liners and then start working on the sheet metal, the Amazon shelves. Here we go.
By the power of Grayskull.
Drill out rivets. Well, now it looks like we need a bucket of hot water and a broom. We got things in the yard there, things in the yard there. Here's our aluminum tubing that we're going to use for the subfloor. 1-inch aluminum tubing. We'll do it across, glue it. This was a big hurdle right here. I'm glad we got this done. Now we can focus on cleaning and rust abatement. I guess, is that the right word? Abatement, removal, mitigation? I don't know. Sound deadening materials such as Siless or Kill Mat soak up sound waves so they don't bounce around inside the vehicle. They're made of materials like butyl, rubber, foam, and asphalt. And you see these spots here, this is where it's factory from Mercedes. We're just adding to where they already have it. And in a few additional places. They're easy to cut, peel and stick application, and significantly reduce the road noise inside the vehicle. We purchased these from Amazon, and we'll leave links in the description below. Then we got a piece to replace this. But luckily, through the power of eBay, and it had to ship all the way from England. But I don't know how to get it out to put it in. Oh snap. Oh, look at that. And you open it and the drink and the coffee can go there, and you... A little clunky to close, but that's okay. Oh.
Y'all, he is such a goob. I'm over here to chuck them.
It's the little things. So we ordered new panels for this and up there, and I just gotta pop these things out. So it's just this little screw. Hey, you can kind of see what's in the door. Clean this all up. So we've got insert panels that'll go there. It'll go on this whole door. A window will be there. we've got a panel that's going to go there, a window there, and then a panel that's going to cover that. Then a cubby for there, window, and then a whole nother panel there. So let me get the rest of this out and get it cleaned up. I ordered them from Etsy, so we'll see how long they take to get here, but and so they just pop off with this little thing, trim removal. I think. Yeah, well, there you go. So, a couple of them appear to have broken, but it's okay. I think we'll be okay. Because we do not want to mess with any of this. Like the locking mechanism and none of that stuff. Okay. We got to put some PL down on the seams of the ceiling. So you can see here, see there was a gap and it's like it wasn't attached. So I don't know, we put this strong ass adhesive on here. I just got to do this one and this one because this one, well, yeah, there too, I guess. So we got our trusty Loctite PL and our electric caulking gun. So I'm gonna get this camera put up somewhere and get to doing. I guess that's how you do it. You use the pointy thing on the end of the gun and poke it. Yeah, who knew? Certainly not I. Oh, it's got a drip. Ooh, that comes out really fast. Oh damn, this is messy. Ew. Alright, so now we get up on the top of the van and move the weights that we have up there to push the ceiling down. I gotta move these about 18 inches.